Hi, welcome to Randy at Home. Today we're going to be doing poached egg on avocado. And the trick behind this is this little bad boy, poaching it right. 2 minutes is what I'm looking for. The yolk will run all over the bread and it will be absolutely sexy. Let's get started. We don't want to smash this avocado up, not for this one. I like to have it nice and chunky, gives a bit of texture. So we're just making quickly, easy, diced chunks, kind of a bit of an avocado ragu. Onions, we're gonna put a little bit of onion in here, not very much. We want it thinly sliced. It's gonna add a little bit of sweetness. If it's thinly sliced, it's perfect. Tomato. We're gonna take the guts out. This is a bit of a bitter flavor. Keep this in, again, dice it up small. Notice I'm using a small little handheld knife. I find this knife good. You might like a big knife at home, but this is the one I prefer. I'm gonna keep this chunky. Come with salt and pepper. Cumin Coriander smoking powder. Get all that lime in there. It's gonna stop the avocado from oxidizing and also add a little bit of freshness into everything. And then last but not least, some fresh coriander. Just break it up in there. We're gonna stir this around. I'm gonna get my toast ready because this is an important part of the dish where the toast and the egg all have to marry up at once. The egg only has a few minutes before you can get it on the plate and it can be hot. So we're gonna, a little bit of Randy's chili oil, homemade, and we're gonna grill this. This is gonna give it an amazing brownness, texture. There. That's what we're looking for. Now we're starting with the poached egg. We got some salt going in. We have a rolling boil there for the pot, extremely important. Pepper, and a teaspoon of vinegar. Then we're going in with the egg. So we want to bring a good stir, grab a whisk, spoon, whatever you got there. Really good stir. We're going to be going in with the egg in a couple seconds here. There we go, eggs in. You gotta stir it a bit, stir it a bit. There we go, eggs slowly engulfing in its... Timer on, 2 minutes. The idea behind the timer is to make sure the yolk is oozing out. The yolk adds richness, adds flavor, adds a sauce over top of the bread, adds a sauce over top of the avocado. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cancel. Okay, up with the egg. There we go, we're gonna drain it off a bit. We're gonna put it on the blue paper towel there. Got the hot toast there. We got the avocado ragu, salsa, guacamole, whatever you want to call it. It's all there. More importantly, flavors there. This is it. Mind the hands. Boom, on top. We got the gooey egg on avocado and toast. Here we go. I want to get every little bit in there. A little bit of egg, a little bit of this. I can really taste the textures coming through there. We have the soft avocado. We got the chili on the toast. We have the crunch. And more importantly, we have that lovely yolk, bringing richness to the whole dish, binding it together. Nice. A lot of flavors, a lot of senses in there. Enjoy.